Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Evne, a creative portfolio template built with Nuxt.js and Bootstrap 5 that Evne is designed for designers, developers, agencies, and creative studios who want to present their work with style, speed, and professionalism. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Your support really helps me create more useful content like this. Let's dive into what makes Evne unique. First, the design. Evne comes with a modern, minimal, and polished look that puts your portfolio in the spotlight. With 5 pre-made homepage layouts, you can choose the style that best fits your creative identity. Whether you're a freelancer or a studio, there is a homepage designed just for you. Next, responsiveness. The template is fully optimized for mobile, tablet, and desktop. No matter what device your visitors are using, your portfolio will look stunning and load smoothly. Third, performance and technology. Evne is powered by Vue.js and Nuxt.js, which means fast navigation, dynamic components, and an amazing user experience. Combined with Bootstrap 5, the template provides a strong foundation that's easy to customize. Now, let's talk about features. Customizable layouts so you can easily change colors, fonts, and sections. Smooth animations and transitions that make browsing engaging and modern. Cross-browser compatibility, ensuring your site works perfectly on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. SEO-friendly structure, helping your portfolio rank higher on search engines. And of course, clean, well-documented code, making it developer-friendly and easy to extend. Evne also includes all the important pages your portfolio needs. About page to tell your story and showcase your skills. Portfolio pages with multiple styles and detailed project views. blog section to share your ideas and updates. Contact page with a ready-to-use form. Even a stylish 404 error page, because details matter. In short, Evne is more than just a template. It's a complete solution to showcase your creativity, impress your clients, and grow your professional presence online. So, if you're looking for a portfolio website that combines design, performance, and flexibility, Evne is the perfect choice for you. You can preview the live demo and download Evne using the link below this video. Check it out and start building your professional portfolio today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.